and it just bust. Request in the front end, and let me tell you something, let me pray. Some of the blood clot. Some of them there to the mania. We got some boom. Angla watch girl, we have pretty face and eyelash and pretty toenail and fingernail. See? Big up my old woman them, me have 5 old woman. The one of my old woman them past 60. I want me to fuck them, one fuck me give them and then go asleep. To blood clot some of them all. And God up in a age and about to the one young girl. And I kill her for us. The blood clot, left that to young boy. That young boy think that they can't go 4 or 5 nights. After we all and we are drink rum and boom your boat. Hey, let me tell you something. That's why someone go suck pussy to you know. Because you can't manage how to keep blood clot pretty young girl. Go suck cool woman. All the man that go and say young old woman and young girl one fucking guy you better not suck no pussy say pam pam. But we pray. But we pray. But we pray. We have yet to God.
For your mercy never
Church. And now I get old. Ricky Tree. Make up there.
I've been held
Sing man.
from the moment that I wake till I lay
Me no want to fall in, you know, like no problem, you know.